Hey there, for any of you wondering how to make a Google Meeting that has a meeting link that lasts for a long time, here's how you do it instead of just having a one-day link. I know that's been frustrating some of you, so you can do it this way, and this is the way I generally make all my meeting links. I go into my calendar, and I make a meeting link. Let's say I was going to start today. Call this a test meeting. I'm going to go to the more options, and I'm going to make sure I add in the Hangouts Meet. Up here, I'm going to say it does repeat daily. I can put in my times. If it's 3 to 4 daily, great. Join Hangouts Meet. That's pretty much all I need to do. I can add my guests here. I can save, and that will create a repeatable link meeting on every day, daily. And you can just scrub it on the weekends if you want. Or you can just leave it on your calendar. If you want to put it at the very end of your calendar, you can. But you can do your daily hangout, and it could go for the rest of the year on this particular link. And then you just hit save and you're good to go. So it's really this part up here that you're worrying about. Instead of it being does not repeat, you definitely want it to go to weekly on a day if you have a particular class on a day, or you can just hit daily, or you can just do every weekday, Monday to Friday. That would be better. That's how you do it.